I did a stupid thing and I dropped a piece of heavy metal on the hose cable for my plasma cutter. This is a Thermodyne Cutmaster, no, rpt-42er, which I believe is the same as the CHP or the cph-42er as well. A replacement plasma torch with a cable is $800 to $1,000. I don't have that kind of money today, certainly not for this older plasma cutter. So what I ended up doing was I cut off where I dropped the metal on it, and cut that flush with the hose. You cannot pull on that hose. It's a thin nylon hose, so it will stretch. So you gotta, when you first take it apart, you gotta expose a section coming back, and then you'll have to cut off. I did a slit to cut that hose off of the brass fitting in beneath there, and then I got that fitting off, and then I had putting on the new end. I'm going to lose a couple feet of cable overall, but it's going to work again. All these blue wires are spliced together, all the other wires are spliced together. I'm using a 1/2 inch crimp ring for PEX, 1/2 inch crimp. It's this nominal 1/2 inch. When that's crimped on with my PEX crimper, that one there, I will have this crimp goes around all the wires, and it holds that air hose down inside a little bit more secure, so it won't pop out. There's barbs on that the fitting on there. Anyways, it's going to work. I'm sure of it. I'll just have to put some splices on here, heat tape, I'll make it work. It's not $1,000.